Hello students. In this video, I am going to explain the role of primary key in our database management system and how to apply default value. Let's open Microsoft Access. So, I have already prepared a database. Inside the database, there is a table called employee details. In this table, there are 4 fields: employee ID, name, designation, and salary. To explain primary key, click on View tab, switch to Design View. You can see there is a yellow key icon beside primary key which indicates employee ID as primary key field. Now, what is primary key? Primary key is used to find the record uniquely. There are some characteristics of primary key. There are basically 2 characteristics of primary key. First one is we cannot set same value twice in the primary key field, and the second one is we cannot leave the primary key field blank. Let's check. Let the employee ID be 7845 and the name is Rohit. Designation clerk. Salary 15,000. Now, if I give the same value in the primary key field for the second record, let's check what's happened. Same value in the primary key field, so 7845, name Saurav, designation HR, salary 25,000. Here Microsoft Access will not accept the value because we cannot set the duplicate value in primary key field. Now let's change the value 7846 and system will accept the data. To check the second criteria, I am keeping the employee ID field blank, but Microsoft Access will not accept the value because we cannot set a primary key field blank. Let's moving towards the next topic, which is default value in Microsoft Access. To apply default value, we have to switch to Design View, where we will get the entire table structure along with field properties. Choose any field randomly and you can see the field properties below the entire interface. Let's choose designation and here you can see the field properties of designation field. Here some features are present, which is default value, validation rule, validation text. Now I am going to set clerk as the default value of designation field. Now what will happen after setting default value in the field, in a field? To check this, again we need to switch to datasheet view, where we can insert some records. View, datasheet view. Microsoft Access will ask you to save the table. Click on yes button so the table will save. Now, as you can see, after setting the default value, in the 4th record, clerk is automatically appeared in the designation field. So the role of default value is Microsoft Access will automatically provide the data for the default value. Let's insert 2-3 more records to understand default value in more detail. As I told you, you can change the value. Choose HR for the 4th record, salary 35k. So after giving the next primary key, it will automatically create another record and provide the default value. Thank you for watching the video.